This is Big Z's freestyle rap. No beats, no nothing. Just one time trying to make it big. Here we go. I'm Big Z, I'm back, I'm free, I'm not Weezy, but it's 1, 2, 3. All over it, let me tell you something, I don't give two shits. Feeling kinda free, feeling kinda wild. Let me tell you something, I make your girl go buck wild. Let me tell you something, my mind's going crazy, going hazy. Yeah, you know I'm fucking fat and lazy. Let me tell you something, yeah, you know that I'm free. Put it to the test like 1, 2, 3. You never pass, you never will see. I'm Big Z, you know that it's true. Yeah, I'm here fucking rapping for you. I'm a beast, I'm the dog, I'm obese, I ain't a fucking frog. Let me tell you something, yeah, I'm like a fucking log, feeling free. 1, 2, 3, I'm the best you'll ever see. It's freestyle, I ain't big time. Let me tell you something, but I'm about to bust a rhyme, all in your face. Then I go back to your fucking place. I get your girl and I do it all over. Let me tell you something, my makeup been over. Feeling free, feeling fresh. Then I'm off to school to take another fucking test. Yeah, you know I'll probably fail. But let me tell you something, I'm here giving it hell. I never pass, but I never fail. Let me tell you something, I'm making this place go straight to hell. Hell, hell. You know what I'm saying? Let me tell you something, my mind's going crazy. I'm going crazy, you know what I'm saying? Smoking blunts, smoking dope. Let me tell you something, you're about to choke. No one to rap battle me, but let me tell you something, my raps when you hear them, it makes you fucking free. Yeah. I'm Big Z, I haven't made it big, but I'm trying. Help me out, guys. Watch my